Tens of thousands of people are homeless after historic flooding in Louisiana. But there's another group in need of new homes. That's the animals stranded during those storms. KXLY4's Alyssa Donovan working for you with how a shelter in North Idaho is making a difference.
These dogs are settling into their new temporary home at the Panhandle Animal Shelter today. And they traveled here in class. First class, that is.
When you have a natural disaster like this, you have shelter animals already in the shelters, and then yet you have all these stray animals that really need help.
That's where Dog is My Co-Pilot comes in. They pick up the pups and fly them to shelters across the country that have space for more pets, helping clear out the shelters in areas hit hard by disasters.
It's great because they can bring in and relieve the pressure off of the shelters and bring them to shelters like ours that have space.
Over the past few days, this pilot dropped off nearly 50 dogs at shelters across Idaho. And since they were already shelter dogs back home in Louisiana, all of these dogs are looking for a new home.
Lizzie and the other 7 dogs from Louisiana will spend about 10 days in quarantine before they're ready to be adopted.
Pay attention to our Facebook page and we'll announce when they'll be ready for adoption, and they'll get adopted out into new homes.
Making each trip with a canine in the cockpit worthwhile. Reporting in North Idaho, Alyssa Donovan, KXLY4 News.